As technology evolves, the market is flooded with a variety of drones for both professionals and hobbyists, making it challenging to find the perfect one. To help you navigate this crowded space, we've curated a list of the top 5 drones under $1,000 just for you. The first item on our list is DJI F7GB2. The F7GB2 drone is a stellar choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. FAA certified and compliant with remote ID requirements, this drone lets you fly without restrictions. Its detachable 4K camera, paired with a 120 degrees FOV lens and larger CMOS sensor, delivers breathtaking images, especially at night. The 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom ensure stable and versatile shots from various distances and angles. With 3 2,600 mAh batteries, you get an impressive 75 minutes of flight time. The drone's robust build, featuring an 1806 brushless motor and level 6 wind resistance, allows for stable flights even at altitudes up to 2,000 meters with a transmission range of 3 kilometers. Smart GPS features ensure you never lose your drone, with automatic return when the battery is low or signal is lost. The DJI F7's advanced app settings let you share and edit your footage effortlessly, making it easy to create stunning content for social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. With filters and background music included, your creative possibilities are endless. All this for just $599. Next, the X Pro Limitless 5. The X Pro Limitless 5 drone is a top-tier choice for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance technology, this drone uses a built-in laser to scan its flight path, effortlessly dodging obstacles and offering an impressive 3-mile flight range. This feature allows you to explore further than ever before. The GPS precision and auto-return home feature ensure your drone safely returns to its takeoff point with a single button press, even in low battery or signal loss situations. The Limitless 5 boasts a powerful battery, granting a long flight time of 30 minutes per charge. Powered by brushless motors, it offers reduced noise, prolonged battery life, and unmatched control. The cinematic 4K UHD video, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, delivers pro-quality footage. Enhanced EIS provides added stability, and dual cameras offer versatile shooting angles. Instantly view and share your content on your smartphone via wireless transfer. Intuitive gesture control and dynamic follow-me technology make capturing your moments seamless. Engage surround mode for captivating point-of-interest orbits with you in the frame. All these incredible features are available for just $629, making the X Pro Limitless 5 an unbeatable choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. Next, the DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography. This drone combines power, portability, and advanced features to elevate your creative possibilities. At the heart of the Mavic Air 2 is its impressive camera system, featuring a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 48-megapixel photos and delivering smooth 60 frames per second video in 4K. The integrated 3-axis gimbal ensures stable and precise footage, while the quad-Bayer image sensor enhances HDR capabilities for vibrant and detailed video output. With OcuSync 2.0, the drone offers a remarkable video transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers and supports 1080p, full high-definition live streaming directly from the camera, ensuring you stay connected and in control. Flight time is another standout feature, with the Mavic Air 2 offering up to 34 minutes of uninterrupted aerial exploration on a single charge. This extended flight time is complemented by comprehensive omnidirectional obstacle sensing, enhancing safety and ease of use, particularly for newcomers to drone flying. Intelligent tracking modes such as Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 3.0, and Point of Interest 3.0 empower users to capture dynamic shots effortlessly. Spotlight 2.0 keeps subjects centered while allowing the drone to fly freely. Active Track 3.0 ensures precise subject tracking, and POI 3.0 enables automated tracking of moving subjects like people and vehicles. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional photographer, the DJI Mavic Air 2 promises unmatched performance and simplicity in aerial imaging. Priced competitively at $999, It stands as a top choice for those seeking exceptional quality and versatility in drone technology. Next, Evo Nano Plus. The Evo Nano Plus from Autel Robotics, a feature-rich drone, perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots. This impressive drone is equipped to capture stunning 4K footage at 60 frames per second and 48-megapixel still photo, with the help of its 0.08-inch CMOS sensor. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes, the Nano Plus allows for extensive filming on a single charge. Weighing just 249 grams, it does not require FAA registration and can be flown in more places without the restrictions faced by heavier drones. Its compact design makes it extremely portable and discreet, ideal for capturing nature's beauty without disturbing wildlife. The RYYB color filter array design significantly enhances low-light performance, allowing for high-quality images even in challenging lighting conditions. With a transmission range of 4.3 miles, HDR mode, and a dual autofocus system, the Nano Plus ensures rich detail and precise tracking of fast-moving subjects. The 90 degrees adjustable 4K HDR camera, paired with a 50-megapixel sensor and up to 16x digital zoom, provides a broad vision and versatility in capturing ultra-sharp images and videos. For safety, the Nano Plus features an omnidirectional obstacle sensing and avoidance system with 6 computer vision sensors and an ultrasonic sensor for precision hovering. This makes it an excellent choice for new drone pilots. The 3-axis gimbal reduces vibrations, ensuring smooth and stable video capture. Priced at $919, the Evo Nano Plus offers exceptional value with its high capabilities and advanced features, making it a top choice for drone enthusiasts looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography experience. Our next item is DJI Avata 2. Unlock adrenaline-pumping immersive flying with the DJI Avata 2. This drone offers prompt visual feedback through goggles, making you feel like you're right there in the cockpit, enjoying a breathtaking perspective, pure thrill, and total freedom. Whether you're soaring through the skies or navigating tight spaces, the Avata 2 provides an unmatched immersive experience. The Avata 2's intuitive motion control allows you to effortlessly control the drone's movement with your hand, eliminating the need for complex buttons. This feature enables even beginners to fly confidently and with ease. Perform jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180 degrees drifts without extensive training, making it easy to elevate your flying skills and capture stunning footage like a pro. Capture tight shots in super-wide 4K with the Avata 2's 155 degrees field of view and ultra-sharp video capabilities. The 1x1.3-inch image sensor ensures stunning 60 frames per second 4K footage, providing you with crystal-clear, cinematic visuals. The built-in propeller guard enhances safety, making the drone more robust and durable for various flying scenarios, allowing you to fly more freely and with confidence. Lightweight and portable, the Avata 2 is perfect for hassle-free point-of-view content creation. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or a casual content creator, the Lightcut app offers numerous templates to make your content creation a breeze. The DJI Avata 2, priced at $999, includes everything in the drone, plus the DJI RC Motion 3 and DJI Goggles 3, providing new users with the full first-person view experience. Those are the top 5 drones under $1,000. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy flying!